What's up, YouTube? Are you ready to dance some Ori with me? Let's go. So we're going to start off with our legs nice and wide, and we're just going to do bend the knees, and we're just going to make the hips go side to side like this. Okay, so my weight's in the heels of my feet, my tummy is in, my chest is up, shoulders are down, long neck, and hips going side to side. Do you like my costume? I just love it. I love it! Go side to side. It reminds me of paradise, tropical paradise. Okay, keep the hips going from side to side. What's happening is the legs are scissoring forward and back like this, even though my legs are wide. Never lock the knees. Make sure they don't lock, make sure they stay bent. Okay, so we're gonna go side to side, side to side. Use the legs, engage the tummy, chest lifted. Let's place our hands at the level of our bra strap, like this, and soft fingers and thumbs together like this, and bring it in like this. Make your hips go side to side, swish. Imagine you have a pareo on like me, if you haven't already, if you're not wearing one, and you want to make the material swish from one side to the other. Strong belly, please. Make sure you're not sticking your bum out like a duck and doing it, okay? Breathe. Stabilize your chest and shoulders. Okay, we're going to bring the legs together and do the same thing. Feet side by side, flat feet. Try not to let the toes wiggle around. Just press the toes into the floor, but I'm keeping my weight in my heels of my feet. My legs are scissoring forward and back at 12 o'clock, yes? So make sure they're not twisting, especially if you come from belly dance. Yeah, keep the knees going forwards, tummy in, and go as far as you can to the sides. So you're going as far as you can. Imagine you're bumping somebody with your hip. I don't know about you, but when I was at school, in the corridors, we used to go up to my friends and we used to push them really hard with our hip and see how far we could send them flying. Yeah? And I would do the same thing on this side. So if you ever did that at school, or maybe you still do it, try to imagine bumping someone out the way with your hips. Or sometimes you can think of if you had loads of shopping in your hands, like you bought all loads of new shoes or new costumes or whatever it is that you like to buy. You imagine your hands are so full of all these goodies, and you kind of close the car door or close the front door with your hip because your hands are full. Yeah, so think of it like that. Side to side to side. My knees are really bent. My tummy is strong. Okay, and I'm going side to side motion with my hips. Side to side, side to side. And I'm just going to face the back for you as well. Keep the weight into the heels. Go as far as you can to the side. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, we're going to add one more thing onto that. As well as going this side as far as you can, I want you to also think about going upwards as well. Yes? So let's go. Up, side and up, side and up, side and up. Breathe. Side and up, side and up, side and up, and faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. And then let's have arms in tarava. Straight out to the sides. 1, 2. Make sure your arms are not bouncing around. And go 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Watch those toes not wiggling around. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax the shoulders. All right, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go into a movement that I absolutely adore. I'm going to give you a little bit of stylization with it. So if I face the side, I'll show you from the side first what it is I'm teaching you, and I'm going to have front around the back. So let's do this step by step first, shall we? We're going to combine it with our hip motion, which is our Tamau, in a moment, okay? So first of all, what I would like you to do is put your weight onto one leg, bend the knees, all right, and then releve, raise onto the ball of your foot. And all you want to do is touch, 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 touch. 4, 3, 2, 1. Change legs. Let's have your hand, one hand like this and one hand on your hip. It can be open or it can be a fist. Front, back, front, back, front, back, front, back. Tummy strong, front, smile, front, back, front, back. Last time, front, back. Okay, now we're going to go into the circle. Take your legs nice and wide first. We'll do basic circle, and I'll show you how we combine it with the legs. So you're going to bend those knees, make your feet about shoulder distance apart. You're going to go up at the front, up at the side, up at the back, up at the side. Okay, so front, side, use your legs, front, side, back, side, circle. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Make your hips go round as you can. Make sure your whole body's not going with you. Smile. You can have your hands like this position. I actually prefer to put my hands here out of the way, like this, but you can have your hands here, you can have your hands here. If you really want to stabilize your shoulders, you can have it here like this. And try to really draw a circular shape with your hips. Whatever hand position really works for you, go for it. It can be here, whatever you like, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. Make it nice and round all the way around. Essentially, this is what you're going to be doing. And now we need to try, when you get to the front, try and lift so much at the front that you get lines in your belly. If you've got a really toned belly, it'll be harder for you to create the lines. Never mind, try. Yes. So round, round, round. Let's change direction. Front. Essentially, this movement is what you're going to be doing with the leg. You're probably burning already, your legs are probably on fire. Good! Work it. Posture, breathe. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we're going to do the same thing. We're adding in the leg. So we're going to go in this position first. Bend. All right, and now what we're going to do is you're just going to do, just do the circle on the spot first. So, front. Lift it, try to get lines in the belly without slouching, so we're not doing Beyonce, okay? Try to keep the chest elevated, don't slouch as you lift the pelvis, yes? And now we're gonna push up on the side, up at the back, up at the other side, and front again, okay? I'm gonna place my hands like this for the moment, fingertips on your shoulders, elbows in line with your shoulders, off we go. Front, side, back, side. The hard part is doing the side on this hip. You still need that hip to go upwards. Okay, front, side, back, side. Front, side, back, bit faster. Front, side, back, side. Front, side, back, side. Front, side, back, side. Front, side, back, side. Your legs are probably burning, burning. Can you feel the burn? 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, shake your legs out. Let's change legs. So on this side, same principle. Bend, posture, tummy in, chest lifted. And now, hands again can be here to begin with. Elbows in line with your shoulders. And off we go. You're gonna go front towards this leg, up at the back, up at the side. So it's front, side, back, side, front, side, back, side, front, side, back, side, front, side, back, side, front, side, back, side. Legs should be burning a lot. And for 4, and for 3, 2, 1. Shake your legs out. Let's go back to Tamau. Tadava position with the hands, heels on the floor. Side, 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 smile. 2, imagine you're dancing in the sand in Tahiti or somewhere tropical and beautiful for you. No bouncing. Ready? Faster. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Bump somebody out the way with your hips. Go, 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 go. Chest still, don't wobble all over the place. Stabilize. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, other side. Now we're going to add in the leg. I want you to think of front side, back side. Front side. Just do the legs with me and I'll explain. Front side, back side. Front side, back side. Front side, back side. Meaning half a circle when your foot is forward, half a circle when your foot is back. So 1 circle will take 2 steps of the feet. That'll be 1 circle. I'll do it from the front so you can see. I'm going to start in the front, side, put my foot back, hip side. Front, side, hip back, so foot back, hip back, side. Okay, so it's front, front, side, back, side, front, side, back, side, front, side, back, side, front, side, back, side. Use your belly. And I'm going to face the side so you can see, and I'll also face the back. Are you ready? 5, 6, 7. Pick your hand position. Front, side, back, side. 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 No bouncing. Your back leg should be burning. For 4, 3, 2, 1. Shake your legs out. Same leg again. I'm going to face the back to give you a different perspective in case it's helpful for you, okay? So you bend the knees, sit nice and low, and bend. 5, 6, 7, and front, side, back, side. Stay low, side, back, a bit faster. Front, side, back, side. 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 Ah! Shake your legs out. Okay, YouTube, you know what to do. You're going to do it all over again. Press and wind. You do it now, do it on this side. Okay, you're going to do it on this leg. And when you're really good, you can alternate legs. Maybe we'll do that in another video. Okay? Thank you. Bye.